Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Cash App Afterpay at Walmart. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your phone. Also, ensure that your Cash App balance or your linked bank account has enough money to cover your first Afterpay installment. Next, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on this banking icon. Here, look for the Afterpay option. Tap on Afterpay and follow the on-screen instructions to activate the feature. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions and provide some basic information for approval. Once Afterpay is activated, you can start shopping at Walmart, either online at walmart.com or in a physical Walmart store. If you're shopping online, add the items you want to purchase to your cart, and after that, go to your cart and proceed to checkout. At checkout, choose Cash App Afterpay as your payment method, and you'll see the total split into 4 payments. Just make sure you pay each installment on time to avoid any late fees. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Cash App Afterpay at Walmart. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.